Hi everyone, it's Razor, and got this neat single burner butane stove for Christmas. Comes in a relatively nice carrying case. Doesn't lock very well, but keeps everything together. So out of the case, this is it. Now this thing actually operates either on butane cartridges, which are nice because they fit in here, or propane cylinder, little propane cylinder. So get all this stuff out of here. So when you want to use a propane cylinder, it's like any gas stove. Here's your regulator. I think this is the valve for it. I think you close this, you stick that in, then your gas cylinder sticks on the side here. So that's kind of cumbersome, but it's also a dual fuel. And what actually works nicer, first of all, you got to turn your burner around, or the guard for the burner. And then you open this, take your cap off your butane cartridge. Now another thing is you're not supposed to be using these inside. So you don't want to be burning it for a long time inside. You know, you get carbon monoxide, which isn't good. But we're only going to try it here, so I'm just going to have it burn for a couple of seconds. But you just take your butane cylinder, drop it in here, close it up, and then you flip this from unlock to lock. And then all you got to do is turn the valve here, and it'll click. It has a piezoelectric igniter. And there you go. So there it's burning. And you have some nice adjustment on it. So you can turn it down pretty low or crank it up all the way. And then just, the other thing that's nice is the cylinder is totally enclosed in the unit. So this is all you have to worry about. Now, I don't think it's a good idea to store it with the cartridge in it. So these cartridges, when you unlock this, you just take the cartridge out, put the cap back on, and keep it till the next time you need it. So I wouldn't store this in the burner, but it's nice that it can be in it while you're using it. Another thing that I noticed was that you do not want to use it when this is turned upside down. So if this were in the locked position, it actually has a safety here that once that's down, you can't put this back in. It only fits the correct direction. Unlock it. But yeah, pretty nice setup, particularly when you're boondocking and don't want to get your big grill out or you know, not camping with your big grill. This is certainly a nice one for cooking a meal for 1 or 2 people. So I like it. I think you may want to check it out. Check for the link in the description down below. Have a great day.